So we have arrived somewhere. There was supposed to be water at the train station where there's no trains. There is water, but there's no faucet. Is missing. I think during the season maybe they put it back there, but I don't know. This town is nice, but it seems pretty dead. Like, it seems like half of it is basically camps. I will try to show you. I think it might be because during winter maybe there's a skiing resort or something. And there's only a few houses and few people. And like the place that I'm in, it's quite lovely. Like, it is windy, but like fuck that. At least there's no mosquitoes. But like, look at this. So where the red house is, there, that's where the street goes, and you come down here and on this piece of mud, and at the end, that's where I will be. So it seems pretty okay. Tomorrow we have to do about 50 kilometers to next shop, and then maybe like 30 more to another town or so. I am parched, I think is the proper word. I'm fucking dried out. My lips are popping. There's a bunch of horses, but I cannot see them because it's in the light. So let's build a tent and let's get some food. Ah, yeah. I get it. How to escape from a predator 101. Ran in a straight line and hope that he cannot catch up. Dude, just turn. Don't stop, turn. Fuck. What the fuck? Ah, yeah. These are some extra stupid ones. I think I could sleep in that. Oh, that is fucking cool. Yeah, I could sleep here. I love how these places, I find them bit random. I was just checking out Google Maps and this thing popped up. Holy fuck. That is one fucking big bridge. Jesus fucking Christ. I don't like how fucking bouncy this is. I might be too heavy for this. Holy fuck. Holy shit. This is bouncy. Oh yeah, so this is also part of a camp. You don't have to pay anything. It seems like maximum stay is 2 days, but I don't think anyone checks. There's a running water, there's a toilet. So, you know, if I knew about it, I would actually direct my thing here. Well. Good morning, my friends. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's raining. It's raining so fucking much. Yeah. What we were expecting finally happened. It seems that it will rain until, what was it, 2? I think until 2 p.m. So I will have to waterproof everything I can. And we will just ride. So there will be not much footage, I think, today. Definitely no drone footage in this bullshit. And I will have to basically pack up the tent wet as it is. And yeah, hopefully it will dry out in the evening. Then we should have a few days of sun, so it will be okay, I think. My water situation is as fun as always. I have the 3-liter bladder, which is not much. So, but there should be a town on the way, so hopefully we will be able to buy some water there. And yeah, let's pick it up. Well, friends, that sucked. Sucked as I'm currently in the camp, trying to make something. I'm trying to dry everything, charge my batteries. I did not plan for camp, but circumstances somewhat forced my hand. So, and I have a beer. So, yep. So, found a place to sleep. It's right next to a road. There's a parking place or waiting place, but it seems to be a bit messy, and it's not as covered. So this is better, I think. So I will build the thing here. Fuck, komáři, mosquitoes. Well, You might be thinking, what happened? What? Where are we? There were no clips, nothing happening for a while. Basically, we just skipped over 200 kilometers or so, 250. Yeah, my leg started to hurt quite a bit. So what I did was I caught a bus. It was a 2 hours or 2.5 hours ride by the bus, and we are close to Ostersund, I think, which is like one of the major checkpoints that I wanted to do, where basically we will be turning and heading towards Norway, which is what I want. So I will be taking my sweet ass time, taking it slowly, making sure that the leg can survive until the end, because it was getting painful. Like today it was somewhat okay, but like every time I get to like 100 kilometers, it's starts to give up, and then the next morning it's very bad. So I think I needed this. For now, where I am, it seems that way over there is a camp, and I am over here, which is the road E12 that goes over the border. This is like a resting place for cars. Way over there are toilets, which is nice. They are not nice, but they are toilets. So, and there's running water, which is awesome. Seems like I'm way out of reach for most cars, and those that will be passing by, I don't think they will care. I'm a bit under the hill, so I'm not that visible unless someone's actually going to look for me. So hopefully, everything will be fine. Now you can continue. Do I look presentable? No, I haven't washed myself yet. Anyway, I have my marmalade bread, coffee, lovely view, and today should be 110 kilometers or so, which is not much, which is good. Up to the waterfalls, and then rain. So I will have to find a nice place. Yeah. I will wash myself and we'll go climbing.
The Milky Way, where everyone knows your name. Every day feels the same, though it gets hard to explain. In outer space, creatures of no origin or place, starfire on an empty face, shooting bizarre moons into my waste of this miracle. Life, it is a miracle. Just existing is a miracle, though it's wasted every day on all the ugly space folk, on all.
So friends, we are at Tanforsen. Yeah, doesn't seem like much. Let's see how it looks from up close. For those of little faith, I'm still rocking those blue jackets. What's here? one speaks Swedish. Okay, let's go. Yikes. Holy fuck. Fuck, that was scary. It was scary. So, from something waterfall, there's a sign. Anyway, the reason why it was scary is not just because it's a waterfall, but because one arm, I think it's called, on the drone was broken before I went for this trip, and you know, it was fixed with a toilet paper and super glue. Clearly, it works. It was able to hold up all those flights here in Scandinavia, and now it was able to survive the winds from the waterfall, which is quite something. Yeah, toilet paper and super glue. Phew. Let's find a place to sleep.